gotta go home and do some more tomorrow.
I done got the last bowl.
I'm telling you, in your green.
Yeah, throw it right on top. That's perfect.
A lot of folks don't want that.
Look at that rib right there. Smell it.
Look at them greens right there.
Mm. How them ribs, man?
Fantastic.
About as good as mine.
Bone off the bone.
Johnny, what you eating? Oh, we all in the rib game here. Go ahead. Let me watch you eat.
They're good.
Hot water cornbread and greens.
Mm-hmm. Green juice. Golly. Thank you.
The man, we didn't put them all out.
You got a right.
Not small brim like this. And it was good.